Hi, I'm digital trend consultant, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the rise of social commerce. What is social commerce? Social commerce is the use of social media platforms to sell products and services. This can be done through a variety of methods, such as shoppable posts, live shopping events, and influencer marketing. Why is social commerce growing? There are a number of reasons why social commerce is growing. First, the popularity of social media is exploding. There are now over 4.4 billion social media users worldwide, and this number is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. This provides brands with a large and growing audience to reach with their products. Second, social commerce is convenient. Users can shop without having to leave the social media platform they are already using. This can save users time and effort, and it can also help them to make more impulse purchases. Third, social media influencers have a large following of engaged users. They can be very effective at promoting products to their followers, which makes influencer marketing a powerful tool for brands that are looking to reach a new audience. The future of social commerce is bright. As social media platforms continue to grow in popularity, and as more and more people use social media for shopping, social commerce is likely to become even more important. There are a number of trends that are likely to shape the future of social commerce, including the growth of live shopping. Live shopping is a type of social commerce that allows users to watch and interact with live streams of products being sold. This is a very engaging way to shop, and it is becoming increasingly popular. The rise of AR and VR. AR and VR are two technologies that have the potential to revolutionize social commerce. AR can be used to allow users to see how products will look in their homes, while VR can be used to create immersive shopping experiences. Social commerce platforms are constantly developing new payment methods to make it easier for users to shop. For example, some platforms now allow users to pay with their mobile phones or with cryptocurrencies. The rise of social commerce is a major trend that is having a significant impact on the retail industry. As social commerce continues to grow, it will be interesting to see how traditional retailers adapt their strategies to compete with social commerce platforms. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.